escape colon wq not. So we are good, right? So it was giving issues with two things. One is permission. Second thing is with the sudoers file, or it says my name is not in sudoers file, right? So there are two things which you have resolved. So let us get out of this. So X of this root, because we should not install Splunk on root, not recommended. So going back to my regular thing, and I'm going back to sorry cd dot sorry cd, and then I'm going to downloads again, right? Now let us see if we try to install it, if it works. It will still not work. Let us see what happens now. Sudo, let us use some good permissions and then try. rpm -i to install and then Splunk, right? Now it will give some other issue. Let's see. Again password. Let's hold on. It says cannot create directory, right? So what I did was, when I was trying to do it last time, when I did it myself, that I create this directory ahead of time. Let us see if at all I can create it now, or is it existing? Let us see. Let it come out of this process. Oh, come out. Let's hold on for a minute or for 10 seconds. If oh, it looks like it complete. What happened now? Let's see. It says completed, but let us see what happens. What happened there? cd and then dot, and we go to cd /opt/Splunk. Let's see there. ls who has Splunk created, but even though it says not created, it says it's created already. Let us see we have all the files there or no. cd Splunk. Oh, it's created actually. See, the thing is, what happens is that sometimes it says it cannot create a directory, right? So in that case, what you need to do is we have to do it ahead of time, like instead of before installing this, we need to create this directory first, and then we install, uh, and then we run this command, right? For me, it says it cannot create directory, but then it, for whatever reason, it completed it. For sometimes it may not happen that it will not install it. It will just it will just wait for us to create a directory first. So we can do it manually first and then run this command. Okay, but for me it created, so I don't have any issues. Let us face more issues now. Let us go into cd bin, right? We need to accept this permission, what is it, license agreement, right? It won't work directly like that, so we need to install. Let me show you what they say and why it does not work. Let's see now. Google, right? Let's say Splunk installation on Linux, right? I go here. For RPM package, this is the way to accept license, right? Sorry. Come on. Right, this is the way we need to work with the license part. So we are already in Splunk, already in bin directory, right? If you click on ls, we have Splunk here, right? So according to what they said to us, we have Splunk already. We say this one. Let us see if it works or no. It says command not found. So after lots of struggle, after lots of work, I got some other way of doing it. We can do it different way. Like let's make it sudo. Again, let's say we have Splunk here in the same directory, right? Just say /Splunk, and you can do the same thing for the license part. Accept. Let's see if it works. Oh, it works. So click on space. I don't know if there any other shortcut to go straight forward to 100%, no idea. But click on space, right? Do you agree with lessons? We say EY. Let's see what happens. Yeah. Now it is asking us to enter administrator password. This is the first thing we need to because we need an admin for our Splunk, right? That will be the first step for us. So let me say for my own remembrance, let me use simple thing. Suman admin. Okay. And enter password. It will not be showing here. I'm just typing it now already. Enter. Again, once again. Done, right? Now, what happened now? Happen. Command error. Accept less is not a valid command. Really? Uh, Generating, writing SRC. Moving. What do you mean by not valid command, man? Oh, sorry, man. Sorry. Why? Accept license, right? Why is it not working? Let us see Splunk help as it says. You can try it, you can troubleshoot it here.